Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto chicken tenders. Hello, let's get started with these keto chicken tenders, and I have got a little trick for you. So you know how chicken tenders that you buy at the store have that tendon in them, and it's so annoying. It's like tough. It's this little white piece hanging out of the chicken. So we're going to take that out, and it's really easy to do. All you do is grab a paper towel and you hold on to that piece that's sticking out. So then you put your fork in where the tendon is in one of the tines of the fork, like this. So then we're just going to pull the chicken tendon up and push the fork down with the tender, and it pulls the tendon right out. And it kind of splits the chicken a little bit, which would make it to where more breading like gets into the crevices and stuff, cooks more quickly, all that good stuff. So we've already done that with all of our chicken tenders. And I've got 8 chicken tenders in this bowl. So now let's get our dredging station all fixed up. I've got a half a cup of almond flour in a shallow bowl, and I'm going to add a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. This breading is so flavorful. And I've tried this without Parmesan cheese, and you really need it because it helps develop a crust. It helps everything stick together. With just almond flour, it just kind of falls off of the chicken. And of course, the Parmesan gives so much flavor. In our eggs, we have 2 beaten eggs, and we're going to add in some water, 2 tablespoons of water. So now we dredge our chicken. I'm just going to put all of the chicken into the egg. You could do it individually. You just want to make sure that the chicken is coated evenly in the egg. Okay, so now we take one of our pieces of chicken and we dredge it into the almond flour and Parmesan mixture. And I'm going to take it straight to the tray, the air fryer tray. This is the pan for my air fryer. I have an air fryer oven. You can see it right here behind me. And I lined it with foil, and I sprayed the foil with cooking spray. You could also just oil the foil. Oil the foil. So now we're just going to make sure this has got a good coating and drop it onto our air fryer lined with foil. I'm going to continue to do that with all of the pieces of chicken. Okay, we've got them all dredged and on our tray. So now we're going to want to spray them with a little bit of oil. I've got this oil spray thing. Any kind of spray oil, it doesn't matter. This will help get them all nice and crispy on top. So now we're going to cook these at 425 degrees Fahrenheit if your air fryer will go up to that. If it won't, just take it up to the highest temperature, up to 425. And then we're going to bake them or air fry them for 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. Our chicken tenders are out of the air fryer and they are perfect. Oh my gosh, they look so good. So first, let me tell you that I did 7 minutes on the first side, and then once we flipped them, we did 3 minutes on the second side. So just look at how amazing these chicken tenders look. Oh, they're hot. They are so juicy. Those are so good. The breading has so much flavor. You guys have got to try this recipe. So yeah, be sure you check it out, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.